Hello, this is Garens. I'm going to present you my teams for the Chopper Kizuna. Firstly, I made 3 teams. Then I thought it could be good to do 3 more teams to give you more choices. I tried to make the team the most accessible possible. In this video, I will show you one team for each variation. And for the 3 other teams, I have already presented them in my video in French. You can check it, even if you don't understand any word in French. It doesn't matter because you will still be able to see how the team works, and as I will explain the utility of each character in this video, it will be fine if you check my video in French. So let's start with the first variation, the blue one. In this variation, you will have the special reduced for cerebral characters, slasher, and fighter. For all the teams, I will use Milky as friend captain, as she gives 1.5 tickets. So the best is to use cerebral characters, as she boosts cerebral and also free spirit, or you can use some slasher free spirit or fighter free spirit. This is as you wish. On stage 2 you will have 2 turns of special reverse, so you can use a captain who resists to special reverse as the Halloween Koala from Treasure Map, Sugofest. And otherwise, my advice for this variation is to use a captain who resists to special bind, because when you reach the level 30, you will have one more turn, and at the beginning you have 5 turns, and then it will be 6 turns, and you don't have many characters who can remove more than 5 turns. That's why the best is to use a captain who can remove the special bind, and then you can use a character who can reduce the special if he has the sailor who resists to special reverse. That's the best in my opinion, but you have the choice. On the last stage you will have badly matching orbs, and when you reach level 30 you will also have 5 turns of percent damage reduction shield. So for this one I'm using let me find Milky and then I will explain you everything. So I have one. I'm using Shank's crew, as they resist to special bind by 10 turns as captain. The Treasure Map Garp is there to reduce the special by 2 turns as he resists to special reverse. Ivankov from the Kizuna is there for several things. He can change badly matching orbs into matching orbs. He also gives a 2 times attack boost for the cerebral and free spirit, if I remember well. Let me check. I think that's it. Yes, this is for free spirit and cerebral. He also changed some other orb, but it doesn't matter for this variation. The important thing is that it changes the badly matching orbs, and he also removes the percent damage reduction shield by 5 turns. So he does 3 things: attack boost, it changes orbs, and remove damage reduction. Tashigi is there to give you a color affinity boost, and Doflamingo is just there because it's boosted, but you can choose anyone else instead of him. For example, if you don't have the Ivankov, you can use 2 characters to change orb, get an attack boost and change the orbs. Or you can also remove Tashigi, even if you don't have any color affinity boost. That's not a big deal, honestly. As long as you can remove the percent damage reduction shield when you reach level 30, and before you just need someone to change the orbs and an attack boost, and you will be fine because Milky give you an orb boost. So let's start with this team. Okay, so for the first stage, you can just kill the turtles. You don't have anything to do except that. Don't need to stall. Okay, we're good. On stage 2, we are going to use Garp to reduce the special of all the characters, and also it will give matching orbs. Then we are going to use Shanks on this stage, but you can also use him on the last stage. It doesn't matter, honestly, because it gives you a 3.5 chain lock for 3 turns. And if you want more damages, you can use the Shark ship and switch Shanks to Quick, like this. Or just start with the Quick crew Shanks. It's as you wish, and then you just have to hit like this, one good and then one great with Milky, and you're good. And on the last stage, you have to use Ivankov to change the body matching orbs, also give you an attack boost, and as I said before, when you reach level 30, he also remove percent damage reduction shield. And then at the beginning, that's enough to use 2 special, but when you will reach higher level, you can use also Milky to give you an orb boost, Tashigi to give you the color affinity boost, and Doflamingo you will never use his special. So you can just do one good and then hit with the other characters, and that's fine. If you want, you can use also Milky. If you use Milky, you will kill the boss only by hitting with air. Then for the next color, let's see. So against the red, you will have special reduced for, let me check, Cerebral, Slasher and Free Spirit characters. Okay, so this is good as Milky boost Free Spirit and Cerebral characters. On stage 2 you will have 8 turns of Despair, so you have to bring a character to remove it, or you can use several support. I will use one character to remove the Despair, if I remember well, with this team. We will see. And for the last stage, you will have Block Orb, and also you will have, I think this is 5 or 6 turns of Resilience. Not sure. I think that's 5 turns. And when you reach the level 30, this is 6 turns and 5 turns of increased defense. For the increased defense, you can use someone to remove it, or also reduce the defense because you don't have the defense immunity or the full immunity. So that's also possible. For this team, yes, I will use the Halloween Hancock as captain. That's also possible to use Koala as captain and use someone else instead of Hancock. She's not really needed, sorry, honestly. The important character in this team is mainly the killer, as he reduces the specials. And also you have Bobbin, is there to remove the increased defense on the last stage. Osama Mask will give you an orb boost, and also he will change block orb into matching orbs. Sorry, he will give you an attack boost, not an orb boost. 1.75 attack boost, and on the last stage you can even use him twice to get the 2.5 attack boost, and Koala will give you the color affinity boost. And for the orb boost, this is Milky. So let's find one Milky. Okay, we're good. So that's the same thing for the first stage. You can just kill the turtles on the first turn. And then I will explain you which character you have to use for the stage 2 and final stage. Okay. No, sorry. Before I talk about the special reverse, but it was for the first version. On this one, you don't have special reverse. For this variation, I don't know why I said that, but anyway, excuse me. For this variation, you just have the despair. So killer is there to remove the despair. You have to use Osama Mask to give you an attack boost and change all the orbs. Then you will use the killer special to reduce the special and remove the despair. I think this is because he also reduces special. That's why I talked about special reversed, but that wasn't for this variation. And then you can just hit with Milky. I think it will be fine, or maybe not. You can hit with some other characters before Milky. That's not a big deal, to be honest. And on the last stage, you can, if you want to get the 2.5 attack boost with Osama Mask, you can use Milky. The order of special doesn't matter, honestly. You have enough special to get the 2.5. I'm going to show you. So I have used once Osama Mask, then Koala for the color affinity boost. I don't need Bobbin right now, but when you reach level 30, and if you want to get the 2.5 attack boost, you can use him. And then you can use Hancock to give you 1000 attack boost, base attack boost, and the chain lock. And then you can use another time Osama Mask to give you the 2.5 attack boost. And with that, you have the orb boost, attack boost, base attack boost, color affinity boost, and chain lock. And honestly, you will easily destroy the chopper with this team. As you can see, you can deal insane amount of damages. And then let's go for the final team. Okay. So for the final one, this is against the green. This one you will have special reduced for red, green and blue characters. Okay, so you have many choices because this is 3 out the 5 colors available in the game. On stage 2 you have to remove 5 turns of paralysis. On stage 3 you have to remove 5 turns of attack done and also 5 turns of bind, and if you reach the level 30 you will have one more turn of bind and also attack done, and also you will have to remove 5 turns of damage threshold. For this team I will use the super type Vivi as captain with also once again the Milky to get more tickets. Vivi boosts the attack for Free Spirit and Cerebral. That's exactly the same as Milky, which is great. Vivi gives you the Orb boost, the attack boost. As long as you have only Free Spirit and Cerebral characters, you will get the super type. If you don't have all your teams with Free Spirit and Cerebral characters, you won't get the super type because this is the condition. All characters have to be Free Spirit or Cerebral. Kobe is there for the paralysis. Koala is there for the bind and attack done, and Marco is there to give you a chain boost and also remove the attack done and bind when you reach level 30, and Inuarashi is there to remove the damage threshold. He also gives you an attack boost for the red and yellow characters, but the issue is that Milky is green. That's why I would advise you to use the super type of Vivi. This is exactly as the two previous teams. Stage 1 you can just kill the turtles. You don't have to stall. Okay. Should be good, yes. Then on stage 2 I'm going to use the Kobe to remove the paralysis. You can use any other character to remove paralysis as long as it's Free Spirit or Cerebral, excepted if you use someone else instead of Vivi as well. You can use any other good captain. Then you can use the Vivi special on this turn because she will give you an orb boost for 3 turns and lock all your orbs. So I'm going to use it right now to kill easily the stage 2, as you can see. And on the final stage I will use just Marco to remove the bind and give the chain boost, or you can also just use Koala. She also, as I said, removed the bind and attack done, and also I forgot about that, she gives you a color affinity boost for Cerebral and Fighter characters 1.75, and then you can use the super type of Vivi, and you don't have to use Inuarashi excepted when you will reach levels 30 and more, and you also don't need to use the Milky special, and then you can just hit and easily kill the boss. And we're good. we have done the 3 variation. I wish that this video will have helped you. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the YouTube commentaries, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. Sorry. And otherwise, I have planned to do a video in French to give you my opinion about the upcoming anniversary SugoFest, the steps, and also if the characters are good or not. So let me know if you would be interested to have my opinion in English about that, or if I just do this video in French. I don't know currently. I'm waiting to see if some people are interested to have an English version of the video. Well, I'm going to stop it. Have a good Kizuna and see you later, guys.